Dude, man, been a minute, man. Been a while, man. I know y'all miss me. But I'm back with another video. A lot of things changed since 2 months since my last video dropped on YouTube. I'm back consistent. So today I want to talk about this crazy EU trade that I sent out to my signals room. Um, great trade, and I kind of want to break it down right here in front of you guys, so you guys can see exactly how I was able to take the trade. All right. So as you can already see, EU, I already have it marked up, but I'm gonna kind of break it down each step by step on how I went about this trade, so you guys can see exactly what happened. So basically, this trade was a beauty entry snipe right off the order block as I anticipated. And this trade is now currently profiting. It went 38 pips, but it still like, is going to shoot up to the buy side as I was anticipating. So as you're watching this video right now, I am currently still holding EURUSD currently right now, but and you'll see the screenshot of that in the beginning of the video. So now this trade was pretty simple. So the first thing I did in this trade was actually I'm gonna kind of hide. I want to kind of hide the font. How can I do that? I don't really remember how to hide it. I want to hide like the FEGs and stuff. But the first thing I realized was I want to see the liquidity grabbed here, right? So I saw liquidity grabbed here. And what I mean by that is, as you can see, we had equal lows here, right? So we had a low here and a low here. What price did was this candle shot down, took out these lows, creating an SL rate, taking out all these people who had buys here, taking them out on this candlestick here, right? That strong sell candle pressure shooting through these people, shooting right to people SLs. All right. So once the SLs got rated, now I am anticipating price to reverse higher. So now I could look for the buy setup, because this is the model I typically like to run. So the model I typically like to run is this model here. So I normally run, I wait for consolidation. Okay. Wait for consolidation. As you can see here, we had consolidation here. All this consolidation built up here. Right? But we had equal lows here, right? So we had consolidation, equal lows. Price runs through that, and when price does that, that creates this illusion that price takes out everyone's SL, right? So basically, this is consolidation. Price comes through, take out people SLs. Now the next part of the model is you want price to reverse back above the previous consolidation high, right? So we consolidated here. Price comes through, takes out these lows, price rallies higher. Price rallies higher. Now what I'm looking for once price rallies back above is I'm looking for a fair value gap or order block or some concept that I like to enter off of, and I'm waiting for price to return back into this area, and then I'm looking to target the high or the next area of buy side liquidity if I'm buying. In this case, I'm looking for this high up here. So the model for me is consolidation, low taken, rally higher, expansion, wait for the retracement into a beautiful FVG or order block, wait for that to return, and then you attack the previous highs. Okay, you attack the previous highs. So this would be a previous high here, right here. So this would be where I would like to take partials. And then my second, well, I will close the entry here, but my partials will be taken at this high here. All right. So basically, that's the model. So as you can see on the screen, price comes through, take out the low, price rallies higher. This is a market shift in price. When price goes above, lets me know that price is now ready to start shifting gears into the higher side. So once that happened, I look for my FEG below. We had a beautiful fair value gap on the 30-minute. All right, so this was a 30-minute FEG here. And then we also had an order block. So this was the last sell candle before the buy move. Okay, so this is the last sell candle that took out liquidity into the buy move. So this is where the order block started. So we had the order block here. Price comes to, creates an FEG, order block inside, and also this is the optimal trade entry move. If I pull my fib out from high to low, you can see that this is also an OTE level entry, right? Optimal trade area. So this is ideally where you want to get into a trade. So we had everything going for us. So we had the FVG, order block, and the OTE. If I wanted to be the Pacific here, I could have looked for an entry at the order block, but I didn't want to risk the chance of me missing my trade. So what I'd rather do was play it safe than sorry, and I put my entry where I know price will most likely tap into, right? But if I wanted to be more specific and more technical, I could have moved my entry point to the order block inside the FEG, which is still a high value trade, but I wanted to make sure my entry did get hit and I was in the trade because I was okay with drawdown because it was only a 25 pip SL trade. So as you can see, this was the beautiful markup, this was the beautiful setup, and this is the trade that I called out. And we're currently up around 35, almost 40 pips. All right, with a slight drawdown, right? I could have avoided the drawdown, like I said, but it's a slight drawdown, about 5 pip drawdown, to be exact. But that's nothing to worry about. All right, and as you can see now, I'm trading EURUSD. I am, trying to dabble into different pairs, expand. I like EU. EU is very smart money driven base because it's one of the most traded pairs in the world. So there's gonna be a lot of manipulation, a lot of smart money concepts being used on EU. And I also seen a lot of smart money traders, very, very profitable smart money traders, trade EU heavily. So I am investigating into that, and I'm also looking to trade EU a lot more. All right. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Um, Beautiful trade, and like I said, I'm back active. I see you guys in the next one. Take care.